Hey everyone, this is Jess from Non-Techie Entrepreneur, and this tutorial is a part of the Mastering Shopify series. In this video, I am going to cover how to create a tax-exempt customer in your Shopify dashboard. Depending on the type of products that you sell, you may find that you have customers who are tax-exempt. In order to add them to your database, they will either need to be in your customer list or you will need their name and email address to add them to your customer list. One thing to note is that when the customer places an order, they will need to use the same email address each time in order to apply their tax exempt status. To add a customer that is tax exempt, we will need to go to our customers in our navigation. Choose a customer from the list. We will come over to tax settings and click manage and uncheck collect tax. Then we'll click save, and that updates this customer to where we will no longer collect taxes for this customer. So when they go to place an order, they will use this email address to be able to get no taxes collected on their order. I hope that helped, and if you are looking for more videos on Shopify, make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out the Shopify tutorial playlist.